What's going on, everybody? Dennis Anthony here, and I am going to talk a little bit about how you can make extra money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, if you don't already know what affiliate marketing means that you are taking essentially a group of people, which are going to be buyers, and you're going to take those buyers over to a seller. So basically, you are the middleman in between. You are bringing the audience to the seller, and you are making a commission for everything purchased through your link or through your website or however it is that you are promoting the affiliate offer. Okay, so for me, if you are looking to get started making money with not a lot of investment, if anything, to get started, I would definitely go the affiliate marketing route, just due to the fact that you can make money selling other people's stuff. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a business plan for free on how you can get started, and this is how you can generate $100 a day with affiliate marketing. So step one is going to be figuring out your why. Now, I know a lot of you guys have heard this before, but you really need to figure out why is it that you need to make $100 a day. Do you have no other means in making $100 a day? Did you just lose your job? Are you looking to quit your job? Are you looking to become more financially free? Because if you are currently working a job where you're making six figures a year right now, you are probably not going to do so well, just due to the fact that when any business online takes a lot of work. It's like starting a garden. You can't just throw the seeds out there and expect them overnight to bloom. You have to water them. You have to nurture your business. You have to work at your business and really take forward a lot of things that you learn from, whether it be mentors, courses, or products. And you have to actually implement those things. You can't just set and forget it and think that you're going to make a lot of money. Maybe a year down the road, once your business is fully automated, you've got a big email list, you have a big audience, sure, things are a lot easier, and then you'll be able to make a lot more money a lot faster. But in the beginning, you really need to figure out your why, and why do you want to get started. Okay, step two is going to be figuring out your niche. Okay, a niche is going to be a category, it's going to be a topic, it's going to be a type of product. And some examples of niches would be weight loss, health, fitness, sports, golfing, make money online, internet marketing, blogging, SEO. These are all different niches. Okay, you need to figure out which niche you're going to get into. And I would recommend a niche that you are pretty familiar with and comfortable with talking about and teaching to someone else. Okay, we never want to get involved into a niche, into a market where we know absolutely nothing about, because what good are we going to provide the consumer? We're not going to do them any justice just talking, just to talk, or just trying to provide information when we've currently never done it or used the product or tested it ourselves. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that you know your niche, know your market, do some research, do some homework. Okay. Some of the examples of some fail-proof niches is going to be health, wealth, and romance. Okay, these niches have been proven, tested time and time again. Anything in the health niche, anything in the wealth niche, and anything regarding to the romance niche. So those are very broad niches. These are very broad markets, but inside of these niches, you can narrow it down. So for example, health, it can be anything from losing weight to a specific diet, to lower back pain, to how to run faster. These are all niches in the health, okay, category. Wealth can be everything from mindset to self-development to entrepreneurship. Getting down into more micro niches is, how to make money with blogging, how to create YouTube videos, how to create a website, how to design a landing page, how to graphic design. These are all things in the micro niche for the wealth category. And romance obviously could be anything ranging from, how to get your ex back, or, top 10 tips for how to land a date, things like that. Okay. How to play a guitar also is another good niche. Best facial remedies is also a good niche. How to learn a second second language. This is also a micro niche. These are all micro niches, okay? Step 3, you're going to want to figure out who are you going to promote to, and what affiliate offer or product are you going to promote, okay? And there's going to be 2 different ways you're going to want to market your affiliate offer. That's going to be free methods, which I always like to say is more long-term strategy, and your paid, your instant traffic, your short-term, that's more, right now. You want to generate traffic from today to tomorrow. So if I go and I buy an ad through Facebook, I buy an ad through Google, I pay an influencer on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook to promote my affiliate offer for me, those are instant forms of traffic to your offer. Yes, you can make sales. Can you build a business off it? Yes, people do it all the time, but you really need to manage your money right. You need to know how to scale your business. You need to know how to track your audience. You need to know how to, make sure you are doing the research on your keywords, figure out which ads are working. If you need to change your ad sets around, if you need to work with a different influencer, these are all things you need to track, okay? When you get into the free methods, you can use anything from creating an Instagram profile, you can create a Facebook group, you can create a YouTube channel, you can start a blog, you can create your own website. These are a number of different ways that you can get free traffic, and the way you can start marketing your affiliate offers for free. Now, with free methods, I say that it's long-term just due to the fact that if I create 10 blog posts today, they're still going to be there in a year, okay? If I pay somebody to run an ad on their Instagram account, it's going to be up today and it's going to be gone tomorrow. If I run an ad on Google, if I set a budget for $500, as soon as the $500 is gone, my ad is going to be gone. Okay, once it's up, and once it's done, it's done. Versus if you create your own Facebook page and you create your own Facebook group with like-minded individuals in there that are all related to the niche category that you are promoting offers for, if you post a piece of content in that group, it's going to stay there indefinitely, okay? So I always want to go with, yes, paid traffic is always going to be the way to go if you want to have a lot faster results. However, if you want a long-term business, you always want to do your free methods of marketing, and it's just the way to build a business long-term. Of course, obviously, once you get going, whether you start with free, you can always add in paid traffic, or if you start with paid, you can always do free, vice versa. Okay. The next step that you're going to want to do is, if you're going to go the free route, which I recommend, you're going to want to create your social media accounts. Okay, you're going to want to have a YouTube account, you're going to want to have a Facebook account, you're going to want to have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Pinterest. I would say if you can do all of them and manage all of them, I would do all of them. If you're a type of person that can only focus on one thing at a time, I would pick one social media platform. I would start with one, and in 30 days, I would add another. Okay, so I would definitely add YouTube, and I would do a video a day, and I would definitely add Facebook, and I would make at least 3 engaging posts a day with your audience every day for 7 days, okay? So I would make sure I would do that. With Facebook, you're allowed to add up to 5,000 friends, so I would join as many groups in your niche as possible, and I would start befriending everybody. Okay, this is just so you can grow your account. You want to establish yourself as an expert in that niche, okay? Step 4 is going to be setting up a sales funnel. If you do not know what a sales funnel is, you were dead in the water before you started, okay? A sales funnel, we cannot just build an audience and send them to our affiliate offer and hope that they're gonna buy right now on the spot. How many times have you personally bought something, but you've already been researching that product or whatever it is that you're buying for a while and not just buying it on the fly? Everybody always has those impulse buys where you're going to pull the trigger on the spot. However, more times than not, people are going to do their research. They're going to buy from some place, store, brand, friend that they feel comfortable with before they just pull the trigger, okay? So a sales funnel is going to be a landing page which is you're going to want, it's basically a capture page, it's a lead magnet page, whatever you want to call it. Basically, this is where you're going to send your initial traffic. You're going to send your traffic to your sales funnel, lead magnet page, or landing page. On this page, you're going to want to give them something for free, something of value. And then in exchange, you're going to want to take their email address. When you take their email address, you now have that contact in your database where you can continue to market to them at a later date. Okay. So as soon as you send your traffic there, you're going to want to add them to your email list, and you're going to want to create an email follow-up series. And I would say start with 4 emails, okay? 4 emails where you're going to upsell them on the back end, whatever your affiliate product or offer is. Okay, so here's going to be your 30-day breakdown to getting started with making $100 a day with affiliate marketing. Step 1 is going to be find the affiliate product or offer that you're going to promote. Set up all of your social media accounts. Start creating content on a 7-day daily basis. Okay, so obviously new starting out, it's just like anything else. You're going to have to put in a lot of time and a lot of work. If you don't want to hear that, leave this video now. You're just not going to make money. If you don't want to put in the time and you don't want to put in the work, you're not going to make money. Everybody wants to look at the fancy cars. Everybody wants to look at the girls. Everybody wants to look at all the cash. It looks great. It looks fun sitting on the beach on vacation. However, these people didn't just get there overnight. Okay, you have to put in the work. So for 30 days, every single day, I would be posting content to my social media accounts, directing them back to my landing page so I can build my email list. Okay. Once you are done with that, you're going to want to create your follow-up series so you can be able to continue to market to these people via email. Then you're going to also want to post content daily, like I mentioned before. You can get, if you run out of ideas to get, you can search in the Facebook groups for your niche category, see what people are asking, see what kind of questions that they need answers to. You can also do a Google search. You can also type in your niche into YouTube and see what the top 10 videos are for that keyword. So if I'm looking to lose weight and I type into YouTube how to lose weight, YouTube is going to give you suggestions that people are already searching for. So how to lose weight in 7 days, how to lose weight before a wedding, how to lose weight in 30 days, how to lose weight with the keto diet, how to lose weight with the Atkins diet. There's so many different ideas that you can get for creating content, okay? And just to wrap this up, work like a racehorse, okay? Establish yourself as the expert in that group, in that niche. Provide value and build relationships. Look at sales, and especially affiliate sales, are going to come from trust, from someone that they know, from someone that they trust, and from someone that has helped them out, okay? Work your plan for one affiliate offer. I would not start off promoting 10 different affiliate products. Work one offer, work one product until you master it, until you start to make sales, and then move on to another. Create one sales funnel, which is a landing page, a giveaway, a free offer, a value, and a follow-up series, and a thank you page. Work one landing page, one affiliate offer for 30 days with one method of marketing, whether that be free or paid, for 30 days. Guys, a lot of times people fail. It's because they start to market a product and within 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 days, you don't make a sale. You say this doesn't work. It's saturated. This is a scam. I can't make any money. Guys, give it 30 days. Give it time. Okay, give it time to grow. 30 days. After 30 days, jump into another product. If you want to jump into another niche, jump into another niche. But for 30 days, you're going to work this niche and work this product and work this sales funnel for 30 days. After 30 days, you'll start to see the sales come in. Then you can add to that business by adding another landing page, another offer, another product to promote, a bigger email list, okay? You guys cannot expect success overnight, okay? You cannot expect success overnight. The goal is to get 1 to 2 sales a day at $50 to $100 in commission, Okay, guys, do the math. If you get one sale a day at $50, you're looking, not the income where you can quit your job. If you make two sales a day at $50 commission, you're looking at $100 a day. You're looking a little bit better. You're looking at about $3,000 a month. I'm not saying, I don't know where you live. I don't know what area or region you're from. I don't know how expensive it is in your area, but I'm in California. I could not survive off of $3,000 a month, but it's a good start. Okay, it's a good start. Guys, if you are completely brand new to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, I'm going to go ahead and drop a link to my Internet Marketing Profits book. It's going to be in the description below. Also, if you're a little bit more advanced and you have a niche and you're ready to get started and you're ready to start making money, but you don't have a sales funnel, I am working with ClickFunnels. I got everybody 14 days for free. I'm going to leave that link in the description as well if you'd like to sign up and get 14 days free for ClickFunnels. Basically, with ClickFunnels, you don't need to have any website experience. You don't need to know how to program. You don't need to know how to build a landing page. They're going to provide you free templates. There's a community where you can ask questions, all sorts of stuff. And not only that, you can also promote ClickFunnels products as well. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and until next time, I will see all of you guys on the inside.